What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel TravFit Freak.
Hello everyone.
Today we are taking you to Art and Science Museum, Singapore.
So let's enter a world of wonder and discovery at Singapore's Art and Science Museum, which is situated at Marina Bay Sands. So this is the it's an iconic lotus shaped building. As you are seeing, this is the entry.
This building is in the shape of a lotus, and outside they have made a artificial lotus pond also.
So this is the ticketing counter. There are three different zones in this. One is Future World, second is Sensory Odyssey, and the third is VR Gallery.
And we advise you to purchase the ticket online one day before.
Yes, because it is in very high demand for the tourist, especially the Future World. So this is the entry of the Sensory Odyssey.
In this, you can see as natural things like forest. Now this is under a ocean, and you will have a feel that you are there present. You smell that. You can
Yes,
smell.
you can smell that. You can feel that.
Yeah.
This is a very nice experience.
You will feel that you are present there. In this, they have shown you different life of organisms and life in forest everywhere, how they took birth on this earth and how they developed everything. And you will feel like that you are sitting with those creatures and looking at them. You can sense their smell, sound.
So these are the few glimpses of inside the Sensory Odyssey.
This was our last day in Singapore, that's why
We couldn't make it to the Future World.
because
Actually, all the tickets are sold out, and they have a 2-day waiting time.
so it's advisable that you should purchase the tickets in advance one day before.
Yes, but I think it is a must-visit destination in Singapore. The experience here is like amazing.
Big screens are there on which these you could watch these films, and the sound effects are very good. You can sense the smell, everything, as you can see in this, the life under earth. These are some of the views showing the life that we can't see. It's under earth. The roots of the plants, how they grow. One time you should go there, because everything we can't explain. You can just When you will go there, you will feel what we are trying to say.
If you are accompanied with the children, then it is a must visit destination. Children will enjoy a lot.
Why do you need rice? And you don't
वो देखो अभी birds आ रहे हैं, birds, insects.
As I told you, it was our last day in Singapore that we were only able to visit this place, and this is the exit where they have made some arrangements, like you can listen to voice just like Ashley is doing, and there is a wall on which you can write some quotes and just paste it there. As you can see, many people had done. And these are some of our clicks there. This is also a place nearby Garden by the Bay where you can visit. And then we just go to Little India.
Yeah.
And you can enjoy food there. Their food is good.
The Indian food is highly available in this particular area. In rest of the Singapore, Indian food is not vastly available.
Then we enjoyed the metro ride.
Metros are quite MRT. They are saying MRT over there. MRTs are quite cheap over there compared to taxis.
And this is, we are moving toward our Singapore airport departure. It's our flight to Malaysia. And now next video will be from Malaysia. We'll show you what we see in Malaysia. This is the Singapore airport departure. The airports are very beautiful. Singapore airports are very beautiful. Our flight was Scoot flight. Please like our video, share as much as you can, and subscribe.
It is a 40-minute flight from Singapore to Malaysia.
This is the immigration clearance of Malaysia.
Their system is very different from Singapore.
Yeah.
As we landed in Malaysia, there are lot of queues for foreigners. Different iPads are installed.
This is our hotel.
And you have to fill a form for each one of you if you are in a group.
Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.
Do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.